Is your EZ Debug LED giving you trouble? Don't worry, we've got you covered. EZ Debug LEDs are diagnostic tools found on many motherboards designed to help identify hardware issues during the boot process. When these LEDs malfunction or display errors, it can be frustrating, but often the solution is simpler than you might think. First, let's talk about common issues with EZ Debug LEDs. You might encounter a situation where one or more LEDs remain lit, indicating a problem with components like the CPU, DRAM, VGA, or boot device. Sometimes the LEDs might not light up at all, which could point to a power-related issue. Now, let's walk through some troubleshooting steps to fix your EZ Debug LED. Start by ensuring your computer is completely powered off and unplugged. Open up your case and check all power connections. Make sure the 24-pin ATX power connector and the CPU power connector are securely plugged in. Next, inspect the components associated with each LED. For the CPU LED, ensure the processor is properly seated in its socket. For the DRAM LED, try reseating your RAM sticks or testing them one at a time in different slots. If the VGA LED is lit, check that your graphics card is fully inserted into the PCIe slot and that any required power connectors are attached. If the boot device LED is the culprit, verify that your storage drives are properly connected and recognized in the BIOS. Sometimes resetting the CMOS by removing the motherboard battery for a few minutes can resolve persistent LED issues. For cases where no LEDs light up at all, double-check your power supply unit. Ensure it's switched on and the power cable is firmly connected. If possible, test with a known working power supply to rule out PSU failure. To prevent future EZ Debug LED issues, regularly clean your computer to prevent dust buildup, which can cause overheating and component stress. Always handle your hardware with care and avoid frequent unnecessary changes to your system configuration. Remember, EZ Debug LEDs are there to help you identify problems. By understanding what each LED represents and following these troubleshooting steps, you can quickly diagnose and resolve issues with your computer's hardware. With a little patience and methodical approach, you'll have your system up and running smoothly in no time.